My favourite thing about living in Ponty and living in Wales is definitely that there's always a little green hill in the background somewhere.
Where's this recipe come from?
Oh, my mother.
Your mother?
Yes, yeah. And probably her mother before it.
Aww. So she passed it on to you. How did she pass it on to you? Did she?
I used to help her make it and things, and she always used to put brisket in it. That's the meat she always bought.
Brisket beef.
Yes, brisket of beef, and then it's the trick is with that is that when you don't put the leeks in from the beginning because they go funny colour and things. And you lose the nutritional value from them as well then.
Okay, you cook it out.
Yes, yeah. And
That's good to know.
yeah, so this, is basic, proper Welsh Cawl.
Yeah.
But you can add things to it to make your own.
But we're doing. Almost been here for a year.
Yeah. I got the manager role there now. Shop from local resources.
Yeah.
From
My mum said, don't ever put the leeks in too soon because you lose the nutritional value of it.
dear.
Yeah.
Never leave mine long enough to go like a